Hello, my friends! It's me again, Sven. How are you doing? I hope you are doing fine. So today is Movie Monday with this multi-pack. A 5-pack from Hot Wheels. As you can see here, Batman. I'm Batman. So what have I got there? Let's put the there's some little hair. Don't want to have it there. So clean the turntable. So what do we have here? So we have the 5-pack from last year, the Batman. So DC Comics, and here there's a Batmobile, or is it actually no? It's actually a plane, I guess. No, well, for me it's a stinker. But what I like is this one here. This is a good question. One of the older Batmobiles. I'm thinking this here is a Mercury, I guess. I absolutely love the livery on this one here. This one is also nice in the livery, but this one here, the old one here, of course, more. Then here we have the Gotham Police. It's a Dodge Charger, I would say. And here the red one is the Batman and Robin. No, it's Robin's car. What is it? I wanted to say it's a Ford Mustang, but it's probably something else. Well, yeah, let's open it and let's show you. So let's put the entire turntable to here. So let's start with Robin's car. I hope this isn't too noisy. So, what is it? It's a, well, I can actually read it from here. It's a muscle bound. I have to correct myself. Made in Indonesia, so not in Malaysia. Copyright 2018 from Mattel. So it's a fantasy casting, but well, it's looking kind of like a real car. So very nice with the yellow stripe, the yellow ring here on the wheel. The livery with a Robin is also very nice. Yellow glasses, very interesting. So let's turn the table and let's zoom in. So here's the model. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, well, I have to change the camera angle a little bit. So now it's better, and now I can put it like this. So here is the, what is it? Something with bound. I've already forgotten about that. So well, that's the problem with fantasy castings, because yeah, you need to remember. But yeah, it's nice and red. I like the livery on it. And now let's come to the what is this here? Yo, also from Indonesia. 2011 Dodge Charger RT. The RT stands for Road and Track. Well, this is the Gotham police car. No strobe lights, but well, we have a little rooftop we can open. Yeah, I like the car. I mean, the real one, Dodge Charger. Very nice looking American muscle car, modern muscle car. So it's the police car from Gotham City. Also very nice, the silver line here. Do we have an interior? Yeah. But well, it's just only a cheap model from Hot Wheels, so there's of course not the greatest details like as of some other models I have. So, and here's now something else. So here we have the 49 Merc. Merc doesn't stand for Mercedes in this case, it stands for Mercury. So here's the model. Absolutely loving it. The color, this blue color is looking so great, and then the livery of the Batgirl. Amazing. And it's a convertible. So, and now, what do we have here? Here we have the, well, DC Comics. Well, the Batmobile from, I have no idea. Let me find out. TV series Batmobile. There's also a tuned version of that. I'm remembering that, but I'm not really biggest fan of the Batmobiles. But yeah, I mean, this kind of shape is still something very interesting. And yeah, so here is the Batmobile from the TV series. Also very nice looking. And last but not least, well, there is. It's looking like an insect. So, copyright 2012 by Mattel. Yeah, made in Indonesia as well. I don't know, what is this? Well, it's the helicopter or a plane or whatever it is. Yeah, the Bat, like I was just reading. Or bug. Because when I'm seeing it, I have to hold myself because I actually want to, yeah, walk on it. Sorry, guys. Ah, well. So that's the 5-pack of Batman from last year. Ah, well, since the video is only, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes, I was thinking, yeah, why not just showing something else? So here is the other model that I have already shown to you before. So this one is the Audacious, another car from from Robin. And yeah, I'm thinking it was the challenge about the hot hatches, and I was thinking it's a hatchback because I was guessing it is derivated about the Nissan Almera, but actually this is a wagon. Yeah. So of course this is also something about Batman. So this is the bonus content. And yeah, as another bonus content, here's something else. But I'm not opening it right now. But here you can see, well, this is also Batman. Or is it Batman? No, it's not Batman. This is, isn't it Wile E. Coyote? So that's the Fandango. But this is for another series I want to show you. But yeah, kind of Batman because here's the Batman logo, of course. But this is not Batman. You can see here the nose and everything. This is Wile E. Coyote Batman. And here also Warner Brothers. Yeah, guys, so that's it for today. And yeah, thank you very much. Well, I mean, not for today, because later there will, of course, also be another episode of one of the other videos that I'm usually showing on every day. So from the classic car shows or whatever I'm showing you. So, thank you guys for watching and see you next time.